How to make a woman melt with your seductive words. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we're diving into the art of seduction through language. Now, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. We will explore the power of words to seduce, captivate, and create an irresistible bond with a woman. And by the end of this video, you will be armed with the knowledge to use language in a way that not only intrigues, but deeply connects with her emotions. So, ready to master the art of seductive conversation? Let's get started and uncover the secrets together. Subtle teases. A playful tease can be an electrifying way to flirt. Now, it should be light, fun, and always respectful. You could playfully say, "You are a walking temptation. Do you know that? It's a challenge to keep my mind on anything else." Now, teasing in this manner shows your interest while keeping the atmosphere light and flirtatious. It adds a spark to your interactions, making them memorable and charged with attraction. Whispering compliments. Imagine leaning in just close enough so that she can feel the warmth of your breath as you whisper a compliment. Now, it's not just the words you say, but how you say them. A whispered compliment can turn a simple phrase into an intimate moment. You might say, "You light up the room like the sun breaking through the clouds." Whispering turns it into a personal secret, a special exchange just between the two of you. It's about creating an ambience of closeness and intimacy. Descriptive praise. Now, instead of just telling her she's beautiful, describe it. Use your words to paint a picture that captivates her imagination. For instance, the way your eyes light up when you smile, it's like the first rays of dawn after a long night. Descriptive praise isn't just about complimenting her appearance, it's about articulating how she makes you feel. This will show that you notice the little things and that you appreciate her in a way that is deeper than surface level. Expressing desire with respect. Now, there's a fine line between expressing desire and crossing boundaries. It's crucial to maintain respect, and you could say, "There's something about you that I find irresistibly enchanting." This communicates that you are drawn to her, but it also places her on a pedestal of admiration. It's not just about physical desire, it's about being mesmerized by her essence. It shows that your attraction to her goes beyond the physical, it's about who she is. Poetic language. Sometimes the right words can feel like a dance, weaving imagery and emotions together. So try, with you, moments are like strokes of paint on a canvas, each one much more vivid than the last. Now, using poetic language elevates the conversation. It's not everyday talk, it's the language of romance and emotion. It shows that you're not just interested in casual banter, but you are willing to dive into the depths of romantic expression. Building anticipation. Anticipation is like the slow, deliberate climb of a roller coaster before the thrilling descent. When you talk to her, drop hints about how much you are looking forward to your time together. Whisper in her ear, "All day I've been imagining the sparkle in your eyes when we meet tonight." This kind of anticipation works like a slow burn, keeping her thinking about you and what the evening holds. It's about creating a sense of eagerness and excitement for what's to come. Voice tone. Now, your voice tone can be a powerful tool in seduction. A deep, slow, soft tone can send shivers down her spine. Think of your voice as a caress, something that can touch her without physical contact. When you speak to her, let your words flow slowly and lower your voice slightly. This subtle change can turn ordinary words into a seductive whisper. Say something like, "Every moment with you is a journey into a world of wonder." The right tone can make even simple words resonate with desire. Sharing fantasies. Inviting her into your fantasies can be a tantalizing experience, provided it's done with respect and tact, of course. Phrase your fantasies as dreams that you hope to share with her. Now, I often daydream about us being on a secluded beach, the sunset painting the skies, we walk hand in hand. This not only places her at the center of your desires, but also makes her feel desired and cherished. It's all about creating a shared dream, one where she is your willing and enthusiastic partner. Creating scenarios. Dive into the art of storytelling. Describe a scenario that you know would appeal to her, whether it's a romantic dinner at a beachside restaurant or a cozy night in front of a fireplace. Paint the picture with your words. Imagine us in a candlelit room, soft music playing as we lose ourselves in conversation. And by doing this, you're not just talking about being together, you are helping her visualize it. It's a way of making her feel the romance and connection before it even happens. Vulnerability. Showing your vulnerable side can be incredibly seductive. This creates a deep sense of intimacy and trust. When you're with her, share something personal, something that reveals your softer side. Now you might say, I might seem strong, but around you I find myself lost in a world of feelings I didn't know I had. This openness not only shows your human side, but also makes her feel special and trusted. It invites her to open up as well, fostering a deeper emotional connection. Recalling memories. Bringing up fond memories can reignite feelings and intensify your connection. So reflect on a shared experience that was meaningful. Say something like, remember that evening that we spent under the stars? Well, I still get lost in those moments and the way the night air felt and the sound of your laughter. This not only reminds her of the good times that you've had together, but also shows that you cherish and value those moments, strengthening your bond. Sensual descriptions. Using language to describe her in a sensual but respectful way can be very alluring. Focus on aspects that aren't just physical. For instance, there's a grace in the way you move. It's like watching poetry in motion. Or you can say, your voice isn't just heard, it's felt like a melody that resonates with my soul. Now, these descriptions go beyond the surface, appreciating her essence and the subtler aspects of her being. Future plans. Sharing your excitement about future plans with her can be incredibly alluring. So make her feel a part of your world and your dreams. Say something like, there's this beautiful spot in the mountains I've always thought of exploring, and I can't wait to experience it with you by my side. This not only shows your desire to include her in your life, but also gives her a glimpse of future adventures together. It creates a sense of shared dreams and builds anticipation for what's to come. Empathetic words. Using empathetic language can deepen your connection. Show her that you understand and value her feelings. Now you might say, whenever you talk about what matters to you, I find myself drawn into your world. Your emotions aren't just yours, they resonate with me too. This acknowledgement of her feelings and your shared emotional experience can be a powerful way to strengthen your bond. Personalize affection. Personalized expressions of affection show her that you see and appreciate her unique qualities. Mention specific traits that you adore about her. The way you light up when you talk about your passions, it's infectious and makes me adore you even more. This tailored compliment shows that you are paying attention to who she is as an individual, not just a generic idea of her. Complimenting her mind. Acknowledging her intellect can be a major turn on. So celebrate her mind and the way that she thinks. You can say, your perspective on things is always so enlightening. I just find myself lost in our conversations, always eager to hear more from you. This type of compliment goes beyond the physical and shows that you value her for her intellect and personality, which can be incredibly seductive. Appreciation for small things. Notice and appreciate the little things about her. This is going to make her feel truly seen and truly valued. Say something like, the way that your eyes sparkle when you talk about your art, it's mesmerizing. It shows your passion and creativity, and that is incredibly attractive. Because focusing on these details highlights that you are paying attention to who she is, not just the big obvious aspects. Expressing how she affects you. Let her know the positive impact that she has on your life. For instance, every time that we talk, you have this ability to turn an ordinary day into something memorable. Just hearing your voice brightens up my day. This expression of how she affects your emotions and experiences can create a deep connection and make her feel special. Acknowledging her strength. Compliment her on her inner strength and resilience. Now, I've seen how you handle challenges, and your strength is as alluring as it is inspiring. It's not just what you've become, but how you've done it with grace. Acknowledging her strength and resilience in the face of challenges shows that you admire her character, which can be deeply seductive. Endearment with respect. Use terms of endearment that are respectful and appropriate for your level of intimacy. If you are in a close relationship, you might say, darling, your presence makes everything feel right. If you're still getting to know each other, a respectful compliment such as, I really enjoyed getting to know you. You are a remarkable person. This conveys affection without overstepping those boundaries. And remember, the key is to make her feel comfortable and respected. And so that is the art of using words to make her melt. Are you curious about more? Well, up next, discover the types of men that women find sexually attractive, or learn to recognize the signs a girl is begging for your attention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging content.